We all have clutter, whether it's that old exercise bike you swore you'd use every day, or those books you bought but never read. But what if I told you that your clutter could be your next cash cow? Welcome to SmartLife Solutions, where we turn everyday challenges into opportunities. You've made the first step by acknowledging your clutter, and we're here to guide you through the rest. We believe in solutions that work for you, that make your life smarter, easier, and more efficient. So buckle up and let's turn that clutter into cash together. So, you're sitting there, surrounded by items you no longer need or use, you feel overwhelmed, unsure where to start, but don't worry, we've all been there. The good news is, you're not just looking at a mess. You're looking at potential income. We believe in turning into opportunities, so let's embark on this journey together and crush that clutter. Now let's dive into 8 easy tips to turn your clutter into cash and make over $500 a month. The first step is all about keen observation and identification of your clutter. Begin by taking a thorough inspection of each room in your home. As you venture from room to room, note down items that you haven't used in over a year, things that have become a safe haven for dust, or those that simply don't serve any purpose in your day-to-day life. This might be that old dusty lamp tucked away in your attic, or that avocado green blender that's been sitting dormant on your kitchen counter for months. Clutter is essentially anything that takes up space without providing any value or utility to your life. These can be old pieces of furniture, outdated gadgets, clothes that you no longer wear, books that you have no intention of reading again. Anything that eats up your living space and contributes nothing but dust is a potential clutter. Once you've identified these items, it's time to decide what to sell. While it can often be hard to part with belongings, a good rule of thumb is to let go of anything you've not used or worn in the past year. Try to be objective about the potential value of these items. Just because it has sentimental value to you, doesn't mean they will have the same value to a potential buyer. So be rational and decide what's best to keep, donate, or sell. Remember, all these unused items are potential cash lying in wait. By selling off your clutter, you not only free up space in your home but also have a chance to make a few extra bucks. Moving on, commence the cleansing process of your items. It's important to carefully and thoroughly clean your items as it can make a real difference in their appearance. A well-cleaned item always stands out and can fetch higher prices than a dusty, dull one. You can use a soft cloth to gently remove the dust and grime. If the item is water-safe, consider washing it with warm soapy water, then dry it properly to avoid watermarks or potential damages. Once your items are sparkling clean, it's time to conduct necessary repairs. Now, you don't need to be a professional craftsman to do this. Minor repair works like fixing a loose button, tightening a hinge, or using some wood glue to seal a crack can remarkably improve the overall condition of your items. You can find numerous helpful tutorials online to guide you through this. Remember, these small details do matter. By investing a little time and effort into cleaning and repairing your items, you're not just enhancing their value, but also presenting them in their best possible condition. This will not only attract potential buyers, but also help you get the best price for your items. This is the beauty of the resale market. The better condition your items are in, the higher prices they command. So, roll up your sleeves and let's make your items shine. Next, delve into pricing research. It's not enough to simply guess the price of your items. Use different platforms to compare prices and gauge the market value. For instance, online marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, or Etsy are excellent places to start. Look up items that are similar to yours and observe their selling prices. But don't stop there. Check out local thrift stores, garage sales, and even online classifieds like Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. Each of these platforms will give you a well-rounded understanding of how much similar items are priced at. Take note of the condition of items, the brand, and any unique features, as these will also affect the price. Once you've thoroughly researched, you can then set your price. Remember, setting a competitive price doesn't mean you have to have the lowest price. Price your items in a way that is fair to you but also appealing to potential buyers. Keep in mind the cost you incurred acquiring the item and any shipping or handling costs you might have to bear. The key here is to strike a balance between making a profit and making a sale. As the old adage goes, a picture is worth 1,000 words, and this applies exponentially when it comes to selling your items online. Think about it, potential buyers can't physically touch or see your items, so your photos need to do all the talking. Capturing high-quality photos of your items can significantly influence the speed at which your items sell. But what constitutes a good photo? Let's break it down. 1. Lighting. When photographing your items, ensure you have ample natural light. This helps to bring out the true colors and details in your items. Avoid harsh lights as they can create unwanted shadows and distort the image. 2. Angles. Experiment with various angles to present a comprehensive view of your item. Show the front, back, sides, and any unique features. This can instill confidence in potential buyers about the item's condition and quality. 3. Details. Don't shy away from highlighting any unique aspects or features of the item. This could be a unique design, intricate detailing, or even flaws. The more honest and transparent you are about your item, the more trust you build with potential buyers. In essence, your photographs are the visual representation of your items. They bridge the gap between online shopping and the tangible, physical experience of traditional bricks-and-mortar stores. So, take your time, make sure your items are well lit, capture from various angles, and don't forget to highlight the details. Your photos can make or break the sale, so make them count. If you've been following along and you're still with us at this point in the video, we want to take a moment to appreciate your interest. You're not just a viewer, but a vital part of our community. We'd love for you to engage with us more. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and drop us a comment. Let us know how your decluttering and selling process is going. Are there any challenges you're facing? Any victories you want to share? Your likes, comments, and subscriptions aren't just digital applause for us. They help us understand what you find useful, what you want to see more of, and how we can serve you better. Plus, they help us reach more people like you, thanks to the magic of the YouTube algorithm. So go ahead, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments section, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Your engagement not only helps us understand how we're doing, but it also helps us create more content that you'll find valuable. We're in this together, and we're excited to hear from you. Moving forward, it's crucial to invest time and thought into crafting a compelling item description. Begin by including all key facts about the item. This could be its age, condition, any unique features, and how it has been used. It's these facts that potential buyers are looking for. Next, go beyond just the facts. Aim to weave a narrative around the item. This could involve sharing the story of the item's provenance, or how it has been used. A well-told narrative can create emotional engagement, and this can be a powerful motivator for potential buyers. Remember, your goal is not just to inform, but also to entice your potential buyers. Though it's important to sell, do not forget the importance of honesty. It's better to be upfront about any flaws or issues an item may have. Trust is a vital part of any transaction, and honesty in the beginning can lead to more sales in the future. After all, an informed buyer is a happy buyer. So when you're penning down that description, remember to be detailed, be compelling, and most importantly, be honest. Selecting the appropriate platform for your selling needs is a crucial step in the process. Not all platforms are created equal, and the platform you select can significantly impact your selling success. There are several factors to consider when choosing a platform to sell on. Firstly, consider the type of item you are selling. Different platforms are better for different types of items. For example, clothing and accessories sell well on platforms like Depop and Poshmark, whereas handmade crafts and vintage items are a huge hit on Etsy. Conversely, Amazon and eBay are excellent for a wide range of products. Keep in mind the audience demographic of each platform. Sites like eBay attract a wide range of consumers, varying in age and interests, whereas Depop and Poshmark are popular among younger audiences who are interested in fashion. To maximize your sales, you need to identify where your targeted customers most likely hang out online. Additionally, consider the pros and cons of each platform. Some platforms like Amazon offer a large customer base and excellent logistical support but charge higher fees. Others, like Facebook Marketplace, have no selling fees but require more time and effort from the seller in terms of communication and delivery. Finally, consider your resources and capabilities. Can you handle shipping and customer service? Or do you need a platform that provides these services? Platforms like eBay allow you to manage your own shipping, offering greater control, but also more responsibility. In summary, there's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to choosing a selling platform. Carefully evaluate your product type, target audience, and the pros and cons of each platform before making a decision. Always opt for the platform that aligns with your needs and maximizes your chances for success. Exercise patience. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and in the same way your clutter won't be sold off instantly. Selling items, especially if they're not in high demand, can be a process that takes days, weeks, or even months. The typical selling timeline can vary greatly depending on the item, its condition, and its market value. It's crucial to understand that you're not alone in this. Many sellers experience slower periods, especially when they're starting out or during off-seasons, but don't let this discourage you. Instead, use these slower periods as an opportunity to reassess your selling strategies, optimize your listings, and research market trends. Remember, persistence is key in times like these. Maintaining a positive mindset and staying motivated during these periods could mean the difference between giving up and making that successful sale. So hang in there, and remember, every little progress is a step in the right direction. Finally, embark on the cycle anew. The path to a clutter-free existence is a continuous expedition. It's not about decluttering once, but about fostering an ongoing habit. Start by setting aside a few hours each week dedicated to decluttering. Sort through your belongings, deciding what you need and what is simply taking up space. Then sell these unnecessary items through garage sales, online marketplaces, or donate them. This not only keeps your space tidy, but it also creates a steady stream of extra income. The key is consistency. By regularly decluttering and selling, you continually keep the cash flowing and your life free from clutter. With these 8 easy tips, you're well on your way to making over $500 a month from your clutter. Remember, your clutter is not just clutter, it's potential cash waiting to be discovered. So are you ready to embark on this journey with us? Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found our guide on decluttering and selling your items online helpful. If you did, we invite you to subscribe to SmartLife Solutions. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with more useful content, practical tips, and strategies to make your life easier and more productive. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you won't miss any of our future videos. Remember, SmartLife Solutions is here to help you live smarter, not harder. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.